Hi, I'm Alia. So today I want to make a video about a little rhyme that we have in Slovenian language. It goes like this. Pred kiko ker dače, vejca skače. Okay, so pred means before, and then kiko ker dače is what we will focus on today. Vejca skače. Vejca is a comma, skače is jumping, so the comma is jumping, yeah? Okay, so let's just start. So ki, the first one, means which. Yeah, so an example would be hoče majico, ki ima dolge rokave. I want a shirt which has long sleeves. Okay? Then it's ko. For example, pokliči me, ko boš doma. Ko means when. Okay? So call me when you are back home. Yeah, when you are at home. Then it's ker, which means because. So example, nimam časa, ker se učim. I don't have time because I'm studying. Ker, because. Then it's da, it means that. So, vedela sem, da boš naredil izpit. I knew that you will pass the exam, or that you are going to pass the exam. Yeah, so this is da, so that. And then če means if. V kino bom šla, če bom imela čas. I will go to the movies if I have time. Okay, so če is if. Okay, so this rhyme, so pred kiko ker dače, is what we use to remember if we are writing sentences when to put the comma, because in Slovenian language it's very important when you are writing where you place the comma. But if there is in, so and, before this kiko ker dače, the comma shouldn't be there, yeah? But this is not the important thing here. It's more so that you can maybe go to the next level with your Slovenian language by explaining the sentences in a more advanced way, right? So which, when, because, that, if, right? So yeah, I really hope this will be useful to you guys. And yeah, if you have any video suggestions, please leave them down in the comment section below. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye bye!